server.
Hi guys, back to another video. So today I'm going to be making my favorite, a trident is my favorite weapon, second favorite. And then I'm gonna make like a multi-tool on the other side. You need 4 size, a phantom guard, and then I'll show you what you need. So first, you need all this for the multi-tool, and a shovel head. Just right there, and then you need there's a certain guard that you need for the health or the trident.
Right.
The person that made the trident is named Nagasaki. Person that made it, Nagasaki. And that's the blade you can use. There is the 12-piece blade. I think you can use that one. I don't remember. And there's the other guard that you need. So I already got everything smelted down or forged. So let me grab. And you need 18 logs. Okay. I'll go show you what you need for this one. That might be part 2. Let's get started. Let's get started with this.
Look at this nasty shot.
Then put that on that. Huh, nice. Then put this big blade on top, right there. Then you gotta grab the side pieces and put them like there. Like that. Sorry. And if that piece comes down, don't mind. Okay, so then you grab. Let me grab that block that fell. Sorry. Come over here. Then you grab this piece, and you grab one of your shovel. You grab a shovel head. Come over here, grab your side piece. Side piece? I'm sorry. I could not speak. And then you grab your axe head. And then you come over. Since it's like weird, so I have to come over here. And I guess you can't use a great blade. So I'm gonna pause the video, grab the blade or axe blade that I want. Or here. Let's go make the axe blade that I want.
Oh.
Now let me think. Do I want? Wait. So what do I have? Let me check.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna have to fix it.
You broke my bow.
But
that was my only bow. Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna make another L axe. So if I can go find that.
Oh, you're so dumb.
Where's the rest of the ingots?
My bow! There's one arrow.
Watch out! I'm trying to do something. Yeah, so
He destroyed my bow. Just give me a new one.
I think I heard that like a million times. So you need 5 ingots for that. You need 10
Make me a bow right
ingots,
now.
Then 7. Then 9.
Talk.
Then not 8.
I'll destroy you with my bow staff.
Then 5. Then 5. Then 8.
Did I
I
just
don't
hear
know what the
Ashton?
total is. But
No. You're wasting my stamina, man.
If this video is too long, I'm gonna have to make a part 2. Just the hand.
What is this piece? What is this piece?
Don't touch that.
I'll destroy you in pieces. It's not
Single
you,
command.
him.
Okay,
I'm talking
sorry,
about
I
him.
thought you were disrespecting me.
Oh, I was talking to him, Mr. Lob. Mr. Lobster.
Don't disrespect him either. Now, do you have 2 flint on you? I need 2 flint.
I do.
Who doesn't?
Can I have 2 flint?
Yeah, here.
I don't
I just
have
had to
to
get rid of
put
that
on
one.
you.
Who's being really annoying, so I had to get rid of him.
Thank you. Thanks. I have to like reposition this. Okay, so I'm actually gonna move this side around, and if I can, I'm gonna put it on blade. So I'm gonna put it right.
Stay down here. Stay down here.
Fine.
There we go. Then I'm gonna put the axe here, and I'm gonna put the shovel up there. Shovel's gonna go on top. There we go. Then the other axe piece is gonna go on that side. So that was the video. I got my multi-tool powerful weapon, but I don't think the shovel will work. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I gotta go throw this away. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Goodbye, guys.